My name is Ben Harman. I'm Head of Innovation Ecosystems with Global Disability Innovation Hub. We're here today at Strathmore University on the sidelines of the Data Science and AI Summit, and we're launching the Innovate Now Fellowship. And the Innovate Now Fellowship is a new partnership and feature of the Innovate Now Accelerator, a partnership between Global Disability Innovation Hub, Assistive Technologies for Disability Trust, and Kilimanjaro Blind Trust, with support from our partners Assistive Hub and funding from NORAD, the Norwegian Agency. So the idea with the Innovation Fellowship is that we solve two complementary problems for the AT ecosystem. On the one hand, AT businesses who are maturing in the sector find it very difficult to recruit talented young people, particularly from the university system. Very difficult to find people with the right skills, both technical and creative. And on the other hand, those talented young people coming through university in Africa, particularly in Kenya, maybe are not seeing assistive technology as a sector for them. They're not seeing it as a destination for their career, for a livelihood, or even just for kind of exploration and innovation. So we're showing them that that's possible. And we're showing them how interesting and how exciting and how vibrant the AT ecosystem actually is, and the opportunities that do exist. So in the room today, we've had around 25 students from across Kenya. We've had around 20 individuals in the room with lived experience, so predominantly visual impairment and hearing impairment, and their role has been to represent lived experience and help the student teams to really appreciate the problems that we're trying to solve. We've also had 4 established ventures in the room with us today, and they've set problem statements that the student teams have been set to solve throughout the day. Those ventures are Hope Tech, Signverse, Deaf Talk, and Beyond Brain Barriers. And they're all at different levels of maturity, but they all have very specific problems that they're seeking to solve. And they've used those problems today to help the student teams engage with the AT ecosystem, engage with problems, common problems that we're trying to solve, and really come up with solutions to those problems. We've also had experts and mentors support the day, so coaches, mentors from Strathmore University, and also some of our partners from across the world, including India, represented by Samir from the Digital Impact Square. So the combination of all of those ingredients enables us to very quickly articulate problems, come up with solutions, support those students. And we're all winners today in the room, but there was a prize as well. So 4 individuals have received a fellowship. And so that fellowship enables them to work with those ventures, those 4 ventures, for a period of 6 months on specific challenges that those ventures are facing. And that's funded through the Innovate Now program by the Norwegian Agency, NORAD.